What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a video. It is really early in the morning, like 7 or 8. But today we're going to be doing something different other than the winter update. We are going to be, I have some ideas to make some moolah. So, my first way is we're gonna need a backpack and crowbar and flashlight. So this video is gonna be more about trying to make money than just like messing around and stuff. Today we're locking in. No more like lake and forest stuff for now. Not right now, but we'll do it definitely later, because later there's going to be a new update. I don't know if it probably will, but okay. So our first idea is to go to the space. I don't know if they still have it anymore or what, but if they do, then we're going to space. And then we can sell the monopoly. That's why I have the backpack. So we might as well go down. I'm gonna try to get some of these. Okay, I don't think I'm not gonna get any. Sorry if I'm acting a little like tired. And sorry, yesterday my VR wasn't working and it wouldn't upload the video to my phone. Cool. Oh, not worth it. Doesn't even mind good either. You'd think a fist, like a big fist. Oh, go, GG. Get away from me. I hate this so much. We might have to change plans. Oh, I hate this. Never mind. Wasn't it right there? I swear it was right there. I have to go where the spider is? Holy. Just be normal. There's also... Oh, I'm dead. I think it's a... Oh, it's right there. There you go. That's cool. Is this the way? Oh no, this is the HE double hockey sticks. Okay, then I have a better idea. We go to here. And then... I'm dead. We go here. And then at least it has to be something we can like sell. Maybe the VHS tape. We should have bought a camera and took a picture of the eyes. You know the eyes that are there, the whatever you call them, the HE double hockey stick swarm, the swarms. Yeah, I could have took a picture. We might do that later, but we have to make our way back to here. I know that there's no monsters here, because that's why it's scary. But it's still eerie because you don't know if they updated it or not. I doubt they did, because they would definitely give me Now, it would be nice if there's like a chase scene here. Like, if there's a monster in one of these areas, maybe the area we're about to go in, that would be like the most obvious monster. I hate this so much. In here would be a great place for like one of those skinwalkers. I'm actually being that so that's like that would be a great place for our skinwalker. Like the vents is basically like the vents. Down. Now this is not how I intended, like when I started playing this game, this was not how I intended, like you would go to HEL or hockey stick and end the game. Like it's weird, like here. Hey, there's like little poles here now. Okay, the thing we're getting is the VHS tape. You have to hold it sideways. Now, I've already collected this VHS tape. I was thinking we could sell it. You can't do it. What? I can't put VHS tapes in the bag. We're definitely not going to be a flashlight anymore, so we could just search it. Now, there is a way out of it. No, that's where you collect it. They updated it, definitely, because usually you spawn it instantly, that's cool. But where the swarm? There's no swarm. We need like a, oh, you know what would be a great update? If this, like all of this, like erupted into the normal one. Like kind of as like an overtake, like eruption under here into the normal world. That would be a good idea. I know from there is watching that, but like, hey, if you could, like, anyone could like give them ideas, bro, that's a great idea. Like, don't get me wrong, we all want that. Okay, so that's the heart. That's what I run into with a little bit of that. But why is there a train? Is it preparing for something? Is this getting like... Is this always... I do not remember being... Oh! Oh my goodness. Is that where I came in from? But I have a theory. It's preparing for something. Look. Look. There's a big thing. Was that there the whole time? And then there's a crane. And all the swarms are gone. It has to be preparing for something. How is that? I'm trying to get up there. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, I'm not one shot. I thought I was one shot. It's preparing for something. I don't remember that being. I mean, I never did this normally. So like, maybe that was. But like, maybe it's preparing. What if like something's going like hurt us in the normal world, then we like inhabit this place, or like the most like reasonable is like it's gonna Okay. Don't use that as anymore. We gotta try selling these. Oh yeah, that's good. Here. Let's try this one. Like maybe one. I don't want to risk. What if they're connecting to the heart and it's making it so people can use the now we got our stuff to sell. I already know my way around this. Like, I'm guessing it's OG map. I mean, I didn't play in OG times. I've seen people play, and I guess this is close to where the OG times. Okay, so we're gonna sell. And this one. I knew it was that one. Okay, it has to be more than 1,000. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, almost 2,000. Oh my goodness, yes. Now we're saving up our money definitely. Now do snowball. Oh no, I already tested that. I think snowballs don't sell for anything. So. Yeah, we're making money. That's a good way to make money, but it's just one of the ones we can't do all the time. Because it's just, like, it's too big of a hassle. So our next thing we're gonna do, see if chubbier snails sell for anything. I don't know if they still have them in the game. I don't wanna risk selling my one. I'll see if it sells for. Oh, it's snowy. I don't want to. Okay, let's go try to get one. Let's try and go get one. Since now we can afford a grandpa. We're gonna need only one of these and one of these. Okay, now we've got a grappler we can save up. So when we do that update again, we can connect to that. I always thought that would be metal. That's not metal either. Okay, they do have like metal actual stuff. We finally added this door back. I don't know why it was gone for years. This place I haven't. Ooh, what the? This place I haven't been in a while. It's still eerie. I don't like it 100%. Why is there snow? I know it's like the winter update, but why is there snow everywhere? Like, why is there snow here? I guess carrying from the players, I guess, technically are sprinter. Oh, my key card. Sadly, I hate doing this. We literally just had a crafting update. I was just gonna say we need an arts and crafts update. Like, you know, like you could craft, like, maybe there's paper, you could cut it, you could draw on it, you know. Be too childish, what do you think? Okay, I'm not gonna hit anything in real life. Can you pick these up? You can pick them up. You know what that reminded me of? That reminded me of Digital Circus when it like glitches. Anyway, let's go get this. Who would want that thing on anyway? Other than like maybe if it's like work hours, you're not allowed to have items in there. Like, you know, like tactically lore speaking. Does this game even have lore? I'm trying to comprehend if this, like, it just doesn't make it like make sense to have lore, but it's just all complicated. To start a like a lore, it would have to like be good. No, so it wouldn't even make any sense. Okay, I don't know if they changed. Oh, they probably changed the password. Password is 1355. 1355. Oh, that scared me so bad. My heart dropped. Why is it looking that way? I don't like that. Oh, they changed it. I don't like this. That gave me a heart attack. That door opened. You know what? I'm not gonna like worry about dying or whatever until I get a chubbier snail. Or ceiling at least. How did it see me? Can't get me.
Stop. Stay. No.
Oh, he got me. How do I get out? How do I get out? How do I get out? I know I'm going the opposite way, but I want to get out. Oh, I hate this so much. I didn't even see that there's more to the roof. I know that there's more. Well. I know you can go. You're not gonna help me, little bro. You're gonna help me with this guy. I hate this so much. I think it's just gonna die. We are Charlie Cook. Yeah, I like that animation. Wait, I risked myself for that animation. That was looking good animation. Anyway, this is where I'm gonna end my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next video will probably we might do the winter update again, or we'll try to find more ways. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Wherever.